One day I looked in the mirror and I realized I didn't even recognize myself anymore. हमने motherhood के trenches cross किए, sleepless nights, endless laundry, constant responsibilities. We built a beautiful family. लेकिन इस journey में हम एक बहुत important इंसान खो देते हैं, खुद को। और ये वीडियो उन्हीं moms के लिए है जो शायद ये feel कर रही हैं। This isn't about ditching our kids or denying our role as a mother. ये बात है
अपने आइडेंटिटी को अपग्रेड करने की।
मी भी। आज मैं आपको वो 5 स्टेप मास्टर प्लान देने वाली हूँ जिससे मैंने खुद पोस्टपार्टम आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस से ब्रेक फ्री किया और अपनी पैशंस को वापस लिया। Motherhood changed your body, your routine, your patience, and let's be honest, it also messed up your identity. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. You don't lose yourself after motherhood. You outgrow your old self. A new identity is waiting, but only if you rebuild it consciously. सबसे पहले एक सच, you can never go back to the woman you were before becoming a mom. And that's not a tragedy. That's evolution. Stop trying to return to your old routines, old vibes, old confidence. आप एक पुरानी वर्जन को रिवाइव नहीं कर सकते. आपको न्यू वर्जन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. Motherhood didn't break you. It forced you to reinvent. Most moms feel identity crisis because they stop doing anything for themselves. They feel guilty for wanting personal space. They rely on external validation. Spouse, family, Instagram, they believe motherhood is their only role. This is not mom guilt. This is self-abandonment disguised as sacrifice. So, step 1, reclaim your personal space. You can't rebuild identity if you don't have 1 hour to yourself, not the baby's nap time, not leftover scraps of the day, a dedicated non-negotiable hour. Name it, me hour, identity hour. During this hour, no mom duties, only you. Learning, journaling, planning, upgrading. Moms don't need more motivation, they need boundaries. Step 2, reconnect with who you are now. Grab a notebook. Write these brutally honest questions. What parts of my old personality do I miss? What new strengths motherhood gave me? What do I want my identity to stand for now? What ambitions am I hiding because of fear or guilt? This clarity itself is identity rebirth. Step 3. Start building your version 2.0. Identity rebuild. Small consistent actions. For example, want financial freedom? Start a 0 rupee side hustle. Want confidence? Dress well daily, even at home. Want purpose? Learn a new skill 20 minutes daily. Want independence? Create your own money streams. Moms don't need perfection. They need momentum. Step 4. Stop asking for permission. Here's a truth many won't like. Most moms delay rebuilding identity because they wait for someone's approval. Your dreams don't need permission slips. You're a mother, not a prisoner. Step 5. Build your new circle. Your identity grows with your environment. Cut off negative relatives, unsupportive friends, energy drainers, people who say, Mom ban gayi ho. Ab ye sab kyun? Surround yourself with women rebuilding themselves. Motherhood was not the end of your story. It was the beginning of your strongest chapter. You're not lost, you're evolving. And from today, you rebuild your identity with intention, courage, and unapologetic purpose. So moms, if you like my video, do subscribe, like, share, and comment below. I'm rebuilding my identity. Let's grow together, boldly, honestly, powerfully.